Well, the fun, action and of course the performances in the IPL just keep getting better, which means that we're going to be taking a look at the best performers from week 2 of the IPL. Hello everybody, welcome to Cricket Tracker. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. In this video, we're going to be looking at those top 11 performers in the 14th season of the IPL in the week 2. So who are these names, what are their strike rate and how many wickets did these bowlers also pick? We're going to be discussing all of that and much more in this video. So sit back and relax. But if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button quickly, and without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. We'll talk about a performer who's been in great form and of course consistency as well. It is Shikhar Dhawan right at the top. In fact, according to the week 2 data right now, Shikhar Dhawan of course is the leading run getter in terms of that orange cap holder as well with 231 runs. But let's talk about that knock of his in week 2 where he got 92 runs against the Punjab Kings and a strike rate of 150.55. He is definitely one of the most consistent players in IPL 14 season. Well, this Hyderabad player has been performing exceptionally well. Yes, I'm talking about Jonny Bairstow. Now, he has, of course, become another consistent player for the Hyderabad team. In terms of his scores as well, it's looking rocking. If you look at that unbeaten 63 from 56 balls to register the first win of the IPL season 14 for Hyderabad is because of Bairstow. On the other hand, he's also with 173 runs, the third on the list of the highest run scorers of IPL 2021 as per the second week. Well, it was definitely raining 4s and 6s in the stadium thanks to this player. I'm talking about Chennai's Faf du Plessis. He, of course, had an exceptional performance in week 2. But what were his exact scores? Let's take a look. Now, he, of course, got that 95 from 60 balls in a match against KKR. And with a strike rate of 149.09, definitely makes his efforts far more attractive. Now, moving on from one CSK player to another, he has been exceptional with his batting as well as bowling. Yes, I'm talking about Moeen Ali. His figures in week 2 also definitely gets him into that list of one of the best performers of week 2. So let's take a quick look at how he performed in week 2. Now, Moeen, of course, has been coming in at number 3 and with a strike rate of 153.97. He has, of course, been smashing every bowling attack. And when it comes to his bowling, his figures also have been amazing over there. In a match against Rajasthan, he took 3 for 7 and was the most effective performer. Well, when you think about the Bangalore team, there is no way now you cannot really think about this name because he has been doing so well for himself. Yes, I'm talking about Glenn Maxwell. Now, in week 2, of course, he got that chance to only perform in one match because, of course, in the second match, RCB did not lose any wickets and it was the opening partnership that really led them to that win. But when you think about Glenn Maxwell, he's been having some great performances for himself. So, at a quick look at his performance in the week 2, he's got a healthy strike rate of nearly 159.18 and he also got that 78 from 49, definitely becoming one of the key players for RCB. The IPL is definitely about young captains as well. It's been an amazing platform for new captains to be taking on, and if there's one young captain who's definitely creating magic, it has to be Rishabh Pant, who's also one of the key performers and best performers in week 2 of the IPL. Now let's take a quick look at how he performed. Now in the 2 matches, of course, he's played, he's got a strike rate of 91.67 with 15 being his highest score in the second week. But of course, his young captaincy is also making him one of the key performers in IPL season 14. But when we think about the Kolkata team, if there's one name that you can definitely not miss anymore and it has to be on your list, it has to be Andre Russell. He has been in exceptional form and he took everybody by surprise with that power-packed performance. So let's take a quick look at what his figures were looking like for week 2, making him definitely one of the best performers of week 2. In the 2 matches he's played so far, of course, Russell smashed 54 runs from 22 balls against Chennai, while in the match against RCB, he got 31 of 20 balls, definitely making him one of the key performers. Well, RCB's bowling attack now cannot be missed out without this particular name. He was also one of the best performers in the first week of the IPL and his magic continues even in the second week. I am, of course, talking about Harshal Patel. He's had a great week 2 as well. Now, let's take a quick look at what his performance was looking like. Now, Harshal, of course, is top of his game literally with 12 wickets to his credit right now. Against Rajasthan, of course, he got 3 for 47, whereas against Kolkata Knight Riders, he got 2 for 17, definitely making him one of the best performers of week 2. Name, of course, was in week 1 as well, and in week 2 again he is continuing his bowling attack reel, and that has to be Delhi's Avesh Khan. Now Avesh has been in exceptional form, and looking at his performance in week 2 as well, it is absolutely brilliant that he's cast his spell once again. Let's take a look at what his figures are looking like. Now he of course got 3 wickets for 48 runs at an average of 16, making him a crucial member not just of the Delhi team but also overall. He's been showing some exceptional performance in the 14th season of the IPL. Well, when you think about the Mumbai team, you definitely have to think of this name in the bowling attack, and if that is one name, it has to be Rahul Chahar. Now, Rahul, of course, has been in exceptional form, and even in week 1, he featured in one of the best performers in that particular week, and again, he has been continuing his amazing form in week 2 as well. So let's take a quick look at his figures, and his figures look solid. Now, Rahul, of course, striked again with 4 for 48 and is one of the top contenders, of course, for the purple cap this season. He also has an economy rate of 8.00. Last but not the least definitely has to be Chennai's Deepak Chahar. What an absolute scintillating attack he has had with the ball, and oh my, what amazing brilliant performances. So let's take a quick look at how he did in week 2 of the IPL. Now of course in the match against Punjab Kings, he got 4 for 13 and he's been at top of the game ever since, and because right after that in that match, of course, when Chennai took on KKR, he picked 4 for 29, and just in week 2 his overall economy rate has been that of 6.73. Now that of course is fantastic because that makes him one of the key players and of course the best performers of week 2 in the 14th season of the IPL. Well, those were our best performers of week 2. What did you all think about these names? Who were you most amazed with in terms of their performance? Definitely tell me in the comment section below. My name is Nivedana Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. But until next time, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Cricket Tracker. I will see you very soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.